So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another educational video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about premium discount arrays and also how equilibrium plays out. I know most of you guys, I'm pretty sure that you guys mark it out wrong. So this video, I'm going to teach you guys how I mark those areas and also teach you guys about PD arrays and equilibrium. So yeah, without anything, let's get started. So the first thing that you guys need to know is that this is pretty basic. So once price moves higher, it usually retraces. So that retracement is around like the 50% mark. So if I take this, okay, and if I mark out from low to high, it usually comes till the 50%, or it might retrace lower, or it might go down. But yeah, it usually retraces till the 50% mark. So anything in this green box you can see here is a discounted area, and anything you see in the red box is a premium area, and the middle line is called as equilibrium. Okay, so uh, if I mark this out, so this line, sorry, uh, this line right here, okay, the purple line right here is the equilibrium point, and the red area is premium area, and the green area is called as a discounted area. Okay, so P is for premium, D is for like discount. So PD means premium discount array, and the middle line is called as equilibrium. So that's the basic. Okay, so what you guys need to do is anytime in this green area, you should be looking for buys, and anything in this red area, you should be looking for sells. Okay, that's the most basic stuff about this. Okay, so let me show you guys how to mark out those areas. And also, if you guys want to know, these are the settings which I use. This is called as GAN box. You can find it in the drawing tool. And yeah, these are all the settings which I currently use. Okay, so yeah, with this, let's get started. So we'll start marking out from the lows. Okay, find out one of the extreme point like this. Okay, this is like an extreme point. Take your GAN box, mark from low to high. Okay, if you mark from the first low to first high, what price should do? It should come to this equilibrium point. Okay, does that? No, right? So you can drag it to the next high. Does price come to the equilibrium? No. So you can just keep dragging till it comes to the equilibrium. Okay, you can people might be saying that price came here till this equilibrium. Does Is that valid? No. After we come up to this high, okay, once we start dragging, the next high should break these lows. Okay, so it should come to the equilibrium. We'll start dragging till it comes. So yeah, after a certain point, what happened? Candle retrace. Where did it retrace to? Till the discounted area. Okay, or yeah, so you can be looking for sells right here, and you can be looking for buys right here. So yeah, the most logical place that you can look for sells, you can target till this equilibrium. Okay, that's the thing. So once it's over, you can move to the next low. Okay, there's the new low, new high. What happens? Price retraces, comes to the equilibrium, it pushes lower. Okay, it comes to the discounted area. So you can look for buys right here, you can look for sells right here. And what happens? Price retraces till discount and it moves higher. Okay, so you can do like that, and then yeah, take the extreme low, extreme high. Price actually came to the discount, so you can like drag it to the next low to high, next low, next high. Sorry, yeah. So this the next low, next high. What happens? Price come to the discount, it pushes higher. Okay, and yeah, this the next high. This the next low. Once it reaches discount, you can just leave it out and you can mark the next low and high. So this the next high, next low. What happens? Price pushes higher and it pushes down. Okay, so this is your next high. You leave it. Okay, once it breaks, you can leave this out, and then you can look for the opposite way. Okay, okay, that's the high, that's the low. What happens? Price from here retraces higher, it comes to the equilibrium. Okay, you can look for the next low and high. Okay, that's the low, that's the low right here, that's the high. Price comes to the equilibrium, it pushes higher. Okay, and then yeah, that's the next sorry, this is the next low. I don't know why it's not. Okay, yeah, this is the next low, this is the next high. Did price come to the equilibrium? No, but yeah, eventually it retraces to the equilibrium, and then yeah, it comes to the discount. You can look for buys right here. If I drag it out till here like this, okay. In this area, you can look for sells. In this area, you can look for buys. Here there was a fair gap. It reacted and it pushed nicely. Okay, and let me drag it till here. Okay, so this is your new low. This is your new high. Price comes to the equilibrium. Okay, and then it pushes higher. So what you can do? This is the next high. Okay, and this is your new low. Okay, and does price come to the equilibrium? Yes. So you can just drag the next low right here. Okay, and the next high right here. Okay, and then you can start dragging out because this is the new low. Okay, if you go into like lower time frame, this is the new low. Okay, so yeah, it reached the equilibrium point. So this is the new low. You can drag it till a new high. So this is the new high. Does it come to the equilibrium? No. So you can start dragging out till it comes to the equilibrium. Okay. So here it does that and it pushes lower. So you can be looking in the other way. Okay. So this is your new high, this is your new low. What happens? Price comes till the discounted area, pushes lower. Okay. And now this is your new high, this is your new low. Price comes to the equilibrium, pushes lower. There's your new high again. This is your new low. Price comes to the equilibrium, pushes again. Okay. This is a new high. This is your new low. And you can look for buys right here. Okay. It eventually comes to the equilibrium. And there's one more thing, okay? If you guys don't know where to target from these areas, okay, from premium discount areas, look for the most obvious liquidity which is present above the premium or the discount area. Here you can target this high right here, okay? That's the high above the equilibrium, so that will become like your logical liquidity target. In this case, it was this high, and yeah, if you mark out from this low to this high now, from this low to this high, price comes, you can switch it till here. Does price come till equilibrium? No. So you start dragging. Does price come till the equilibrium? No. Does it come? No. Does it come? No. So you start dragging it till it comes. Okay. So after here, the price comes till the equilibrium. So where is your logical liquidity target? It's right below the equilibrium point. So this low becomes your logical liquidity target. Okay. So you can target these lows. That's one key point. And then it pushes higher and then it crashes. So yeah. Then this is your new high, this is your new low. Does price come to the equilibrium? No, you can start tagging out. Price comes to the equilibrium, so it doesn't matter here. You can leave that out. And this high, this low, this high, this low. Price comes to the equilibrium, so you can start dragging out. Okay, so that's your new high, new low. Price comes to the equilibrium, so it pushes lower. Okay, so this is your new PDR. Okay, so this was the last high, this was the last low, which is currently going on. So yeah, what you might expect, price to come till the equilibrium or it might push high. So where's your logical liquidity target? This equilibrium or the high above the equilibrium. So this can become your target. Let me go on to like other pairs as an example. If I do on like Bitcoin, okay, you can do it in like any time frame. So there's no limit in what time frames you can use. So you can use it on any time frame. Let's say we can do it in like 1 hour also, or 4 hour daily. Price usually tend to come to retrace till the equilibrium. Okay, leave that. So take out an extreme point, extreme low, extreme high. Does price come till the equilibrium? Yes. So this is your new high. Okay, that candle only becomes new low because it's an hourly candle. It's a little hard, but yeah, this is your extreme point right here. You can drag it out till the next high. What happens? Price retraces till the equilibrium or till this logical low. Okay, it comes to this low and it pushes higher. Okay, and yeah, price usually retraces here. So this is your new high, this is your new low. Sorry, this is your new low, this is your new high. Price come retraces, it pushes lower. Okay, and this is your new high. Sorry, this is your new high, this is your new low. Price comes to equilibrium, so you leave that. So this becomes your new high. Okay, this becomes your new low. So price doesn't come to equilibrium, so you can drag it out. Okay, so after that, price comes till the discounted area, so you can leave this out. So this high could have become your liquidity target. Okay, and this is your new high. You can just repeat it out again and again. So low, price comes to discount, goes down. Same thing is happening right here. Price comes to discount. And this is your current new high, current new low. Okay, price doesn't come to equilibrium, so you can just drag it out and it hits your logical target and sets going higher. So now this is your new low, this is your new high. Okay, and does price come to the equilibrium? It does come here. So this is your new low. Okay, new high, price comes. Okay, so new low, new high. So you can just drag it out. So that's how you can find premium discount target. Why is it like this? Here is because if you move into like 5 minutes or something, here price would have retraced till that equilibrium. So this is your new low, new high. So price retraced till the 50% mark. So I'm leaving out that area. So if you drag it from this low to this high, see price comes to the equilibrium. So that's why I left it out. It requires little practice, but once you understand, you can look at it into it. So here, if you create SMT or something, where's your logical liquidity target? It's right below the PD array. Okay, so right below the below or above the PD array. So that's how you can find premium discount areas. So yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Till then, we'll meet again. Bye bye.